Jessup Makeup Brushes Set 7 PCS Double-Sided Makeup Brushes for Foundation, Concealer, Blush, Eyeshadow, Contour, Bronzer, Powder, Blending, Eyebrow, Eyeliner. Cruelty-Free Makeup Brushes Peach Dust T600. 14 in 7 Double-Sided Makeup Brushes Set. Jessup Professional Grade Versatile Brush Set includes 14 unique brush heads, offering endless options for creating any look with ease. Perfect for both experts and beginners, it ensures effortless application and allows for creative exploration. Each brush is designed to cater to your style, making it an ideal gift and a compact, travel-friendly solution for flawless makeup on the go. 3 PCS Face Makeup Brushes. This Jessup brush set includes double-ended foundation and blush brush, a duo-end face contour brush, and double-sided precision contour brush. They are professional face brushes that effortlessly complete your daily makeup routine, ensuring flawless application of foundation, powder, contour, highlighter, and blush. 4 PCS Eye Makeup Brushes. There are double-ended eyeshadow brush, duo-ended blending brush, duo-ended shader brush, and duo-end short shader and liner brush, which can cater to a wide range of needs. A mere selection of 3 to 4 brushes is enough to achieve your daily makeup routine, while the complete set allows for the creation of even the most extravagant looks. Enjoy the freedom to mix and match as you please. Jessup Exclusive Vegan Hair, designed to imitate natural hair with unmatched softness and gentleness. These dense, durable brushes offer a premium feel and are easy to clean, with no shedding, making them a practical choice for flawless makeup application. Perfect as a thoughtful gift or for travel, their high-quality performance and compact design ensure you can achieve beautiful results wherever you are. Perfect beauty gift for women and girls. Jessup Makeup Brushes Set comes with a fancy gift box. It can be a perfect gift for yourself or the special people in your life on any memorable occasion. Birthday, weddings, Valentine's Day, Women's Day, anniversaries, Mother's Day, Christmas Day, New Year, Thanksgiving Day, Boxing Day, Halloween, etc. This thoughtful and unique gift will be sure to make them smile. Use the double-ended foundation and blush brush, F04, to apply cream and powder complexion formulas. 2. Use the duo-end face contour brush, F05, to apply cream and powder contour with ease. 3. Use the duo-ended precision contour brush, F06, to sculpt and shape small areas of the face with artistic precision. 4. Use the duo-ended eyeshadow brush, E08, to apply cream formulas and shadows. 5. Use the duo-ended blending brush, E09, to apply, shade, and blend all shadow formulas. 6. Use the duo-ended shader brush, E10, to apply both powder or cream shadow formulas. 7. Use the short shader and liner brush, E11, to apply color to your smallest, exact areas of the eye.